Is it?
Walang sipin na.
That's a bit. Thank you, hot na. Anyway. Patuloy ko ba ba itong katangahan ko? Hi, Prince. Hi, Prince. Hi, Bruce. Hi, James. I remember Daniel. Luga. Let's go. Showing. Hi, girl.
Parehas tayo may kailangan ko.
For you, girl. Where did you go, Theo? Ano na? Okay lang. Hi, Rat number. Adrian, Rio. Long time no I would chat. Who are you? You parang what the fuck? What the fuck? Ano ba ito? Second account mo ba to? Ah, Greg? What the fuck? What the fuck? Hi! Bossy! Hello! What the fuck? In my heart, you need to know. Charlotte, Gigi. Carlos, how are you? Think I'm falling. Hindi na picture. Bakit lagi niyo ba natatang picture lang? Dudong. Dodong? Ah. Lagi niyo ba nanadaang picture lang? It's getting late.
Batang may lakan. May lakang para sa sarili. Determinado.
Nasa 540. Nasaan na sila sa tutoy.
Matulong yun.
Grabe, ilang beses lang naman yan.
May lakan. Sila pa ready sa kidlaki.
It's getting later, baby. Kami naman odds. Gusto nga internet eh. Odds pa din. Kaya nito ba mag-live ng 3? Looking at you, tell myself ano bang PM your Flappy Boy? Kulang pa ba oras mo? Kulang pa na 8 hours. Flappy! I should be in the season.
intention. You know you're around me. I make you feel it's very real. It feels any much so amazing everything back.
So, kulang na ako ng ano. Ay, 7 hours pala kulang. So, ay, 7 hours na. 5 hours pala. 5 hours. So, kasi, nakalimutan na, ano. Ay, ilan ba? 5 hours. You know, di mo. Five hours siya. Kasi 3 hours niya. Tapos, dapat kompleto na siya kung dagdag 3 hours. Ang gagawin lang one time, parang na-busy ata ako. Tapos 1 hour lang yung nataka ko. 2 hours lang kulang mo pala pag nag-3 hours. Oo, 3 hours lang. Take me back. This funky. Chance.
Next time when we spoke with your heart, cause this explanation gives me talk like you.
What's it?
So you take me back to the summer of the bed. When I'm lost, I'm saying,
You really are the reason. Sobrang lapit na. Oh my God.
when I get said, done in the middle of the night, and you guys speak. I'm not lucky.
Hi, Dayhon. Konti lang ako pagka sa screen. Okay. Konting ano pa. Dalawayo nga ako sa screen kasi gusto ko sumanda. Kaya zinong ko na lang siya medyo, para medyo malapit sa kantik ko. Namula pa yung mata ko.